Now we're coming to the preview of each and every sign for the weekly horoscope report. Preview. What is preview? Preview is a free content in which we extract one part of the premium content. In the premium content, we share with you 6 parts. Transit, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chantings. These are 6 parts consist of premium content. So out of these 6 parts, we share with you one part, conclusion part 1 in the preview. These weekly horoscope reports are quite important for those people who are next 7 days, the important events are happening, or next 7 days, if they're going for any kind of an interview or very important meeting or negotiation or dealing, and some events are happening in the coming week. Some timing and the days are important, and you need to make a decision or choices, or you have to make a move in the coming week, or the scenario is developing in the next 7 days and you need to keep a close eye and watching that particular scenario, then you make a move. Weekly horoscope report which we are presenting with the premium content is very thorough, give you environment of the whole week and what you can do in that particular week. The prediction is there, positive and negative both ways, but task, precaution, chanting, the real asset to you can change the equation of the whole week if you want to. Prediction clarity is there, crystal clear understanding is there. Then what you can do in that particular equation is your call. This weekly horoscope report which we produce is an applied astrology horoscope report, not like a only prediction. Through task, precaution, chanting, you can maneuver the astrological equation if you want to. These are not suitable for everybody, but anybody who needs it. Medicine is not for everybody. Medicine for the patient. So end of the day, our weekly horoscope report, who need this horoscope report, who need the help and support and guidance for those people, for all of you. But I'd like to share with all of you, this is what we do. Every preview have a supporting statement in the end, in which we define categorically what are these planets are doing for you. But end of the day, if you want a premium content, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and take a full advantage of the premium content. But otherwise, best of luck to all of you. Taurus weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 25th October till 31st October. Taurus, this coming week is for you. Taurus, Venus, Ketu in 7th house. Look after your marriage relationship. Look after any romantic relationship. Beware of any kind of scandalous situation developing in the relationship. Rahu's position in 1st house. Refrain from investing ego in everything you do. Sun, Mars in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your enemies. Look after your health. And Jupiter, Saturn, 9th house. Elders' blessing will be God's blessing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week regarding mood and transit, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must discipline yourself in this coming week, which can save your skin. What sacred chanting you can exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Taurus, weekly conclusion, 25th October till 31st October for all of you. Conclusion part 1. Taurus, in this coming week, you will be involved in a lot of fruitless tasks. You'll end up wasting a lot of time in fruitless events. With the help of a professional friends, you will be able to resolve a lot of your complications, hassles, issues. You've got to look after your health and well-being. By the weekend, there will be a situation where you will be thinking thoroughly, seriously, to create a significant change of place, either linked with your residence or profession or job or both. There will be few unexpected delays in completion of your important projects. Sometimes your expected success won't be there. Be careful. You will have to improve your communication, your attitude, your way of thinking. your presentation, your lifestyle, your way of addressing the overall situation, please. And you got to prepare yourself for your presentation.